Hola parceros, it's your buddy Adil speaking from Brazil, and in today's video I have a cool gift for you. Alright muchachos, so in case you follow me on Instagram, I think you know what it is about. If you don't follow me on Instagram, watch this. La Oficina. By the way, this thing, blueberry, very good for focus and for energy boost. You should give it a try. Alright. Alright. Fuck. Okay. It's me. Tudo bem? What's up? So this is the winning product I told you about. I think you've seen it somewhere. This, like you can adapt it. Oh fuck. Anyway, you can adjust it and stuff. And let me show you something. So I'm going to give away for free my course Ecom Elite Accelerator starting from today. It's $200. I'll make it free for everyone. It took me a lot of reflection, but like I'm going to do it. It made like people shit tons of money, $100,000 per month, 8K per day, dollars, 100,000 euros, you name it, you've got the point. It's a pretty good course. Like you learn how to start a dropshipping business, you learn Instagram influencer, you learn there's another course about productivity and stuff, how to supercharge your productivity. And that's it. That's my gift to you. So yeah guys, you will find the link below this video. You can enroll and wish you a happy 2020. Cheers.